In those people who have a lack of sleep or less quality of sleep, there's an increase in high blood pressure. A lack of sleep is associated with an increased risk of heart disease, but we know this. Without sleep, we're just not regenerating our cells. But not only that, in those people who have a lack of sleep or less quality of sleep, there's an increase in high blood pressure. But here's another thing. With a lack of sleep, there's a decrease in the secretion of leptin, which is the hormone that tells us that we're full. So people who sleep less actually tend to eat more and can increase the tendency to gain weight. When you think about having a heart-healthy life, you really have to think about sleep as well. And the sweet spot, about 7.5 hours of sleep a night. If you sleep more than 9 or less than 6, it actually increases your risk of heart disease. So pay attention to your sleep because it makes a difference. With a lack of sleep, there's also an increase in cortisol, and there's a change in the circadian rhythm, that normal rhythm that our bodies like to live in. And with that increase in cortisol, guess what? There's an increase in inflammation and there's an increased risk of heart disease. So make sure you get sleep. And if you're not sleeping, talk to your doctor, because there are ways to help you sleep better. One of the best ways to get better sleep is by exercise. And the next best way is to every night do the same thing, the same as if you would for a baby. Go through that same routine and put yourself to bed, because getting enough sleep can prevent you from developing heart disease.